In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Custom fields are a powerful way to tailor QuickBooks Online to fit your specific business needs. Whether you want to track additional details about your customers, vendors, transactions, or projects, custom fields give you the flexibility to capture the exact data that's most important to you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create and configure custom fields step by step, so you can start using them to organize and streamline your workflow. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the Settings menu in QuickBooks Online. To do this, click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open up a menu full of options for managing your account and customizing your QuickBooks experience. Next, from the menu, select Custom Fields. This section is where you can view, manage, and create custom fields for use throughout your QuickBooks Online account. If you're just getting started, the list might be empty, but don't worry, we're about to change that. Now click the Add Custom Field button. This is where you'll set up your new field. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your custom field. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive so you and your team can easily understand what the field is tracking. For example, you might name it Order Number or Project Deadline, whatever makes sense for your business needs. Once you've named your field, it's time to choose the data type. QuickBooks lets you pick from several options, including text, number, date, or drop-down list. Think about the kind of information you'll be entering in this field. For instance, if you're tracking dates, select the date option. If it's a list of predefined choices, such as categories, go with a drop-down list. After selecting the data type, you'll specify the category for your field. This determines where the field will be applied. Categories include options like customers, transactions, vendors, or projects. For example, if your field will track extra details about customers, select the customer category. Next, you'll need to enable the forms where this custom field will appear. QuickBooks gives you flexibility here, allowing you to include the field on invoices, estimates, sales receipts, bills, purchase orders, or other forms. Simply check the boxes for the forms where you want the field to show up. Once everything is set up, click the Save button. This action finalizes your custom field, and it's now ready to use within your QuickBooks Online account. To make sure everything is working as expected, verify that the new custom field appears on the forms you selected. You can do this by creating or editing a form, such as an invoice or estimate, and checking that the custom field is visible and functioning as intended. Finally, if you ever need to make changes to the field, you can return to the Custom Fields section at any time. From here, you can edit the field, hide it temporarily, or even repurpose it for a different use. And that's it. Custom fields in QuickBooks Online are a simple yet powerful way to capture the information your business needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.